Hey guys, how you doing? In this short video I want to show you how to do something very simple in PHP, just a quotes application where you get a bunch of displays of different quotes randomly. So I'm just going to make use of very few PHP functions here so you just know how to do. Here in my project I've just created a folder called quote anywhere in your project directory, and I'm going to create a file there called quotes.php. And basically in this file what I want to do is I'm going to open my PHP, right? Because every PHP file is supposed to have this opening, and if the file is going to have both PHP and some HTML in it, then you have to make sure you close it. But let's just do the PHP, and I'm going to create a variable here called quotes, and we're going to set those quotes to some random strings. Of course I can just copy something here and paste for our quotes, something like this. So we have about 5 different quotes. Now this source could be coming from the database, so the quotes can come from anywhere. It could be from a JSON file, it could be from your database, or anywhere in your project. So now I have this, and what I want to do next is I want to be able to create a simple HTML file that when I execute, it's able to randomly get quotes from there. So how do we get a random string from an array of string? In PHP we have a certain function called array rand. So basically if you look at this, it picks one of the most random entries out of an array. So we have an array of 5 strings, so I can get randomly from here, from this array quotes. Now that is going to return one item, so I can store that in a variable called random item, right? Random item is equal to this quote. Now I can get another quote. Sorry, this returns let us look at it again. Input array, specify how many entries, return when picking only one entry. Array rand returns the key. Okay, so it returns a key, or in other words the index of an item in this array. So if I use array rand and I wanted to get the best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Last one quote. If I wanted to get this and I use array rand, it is not going to return their string, it is going to return the position of this item, let's say index 0. So now when we do this, we are going to get let's say if it was picking 1, we are going to get 0 returned in this case, right? So for us to get that particular quote, now we can say the quote that we want to get is equal to what? Quotes at that index, right, of random item. All right, so in this case now that is going to return the best way to get started is to stop talking and begin doing. So with that, right now what we can do, we can just echo that quote, right? So we can just echo quote, and basically this should be able to do something. Now let us run that. I'm going to close this and start a PHP server, php -s, right, localhost 2000, because I want to run on a different host. And basically if I visit this and go to /quotes.php, it's called quotes with an s, quotes.php, I should be able to get the best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So each time I refresh, I get a random quote, right? So we have something there right now. The next thing is, okay, let us see how to maybe display that in some nice design or something, because that's always what we want, right, to make it display. So I'm going to close this one, this PHP here, and basically I'm going to create a simple HTML document, right? So I'm going to do HTML5 like that, and we have we can say quotes generator. And basically now we have that. We can create some style here. I won't go ahead doing too much styling, so I'm just going to do a style of, let's say, font family of, let's say, Arial, right? And what else do we want there? text align, center. What else? We can add a margin top, margin top of about, let's just put 50 pixels, right? And then what we can do is just, you know, dump that code there. So I can say h2, h2, and I say okay, quote of the day, right? And basically for the quote of the day, what do I do here? I can just do a paragraph tag, and I put an item here like italics, right? Let's say we want it slanted since it's a quote, so I can use the I tag, right? There should be an I tag, and then we just open our PHP and echo quote. Basically as simple as that. Close the PHP, and now if we save this, come here, refresh, you see we have quote of the day here. Refresh again, we have that. So that is very simple, right? It's just pretty straightforward. Create an array. Of course, like I mentioned, these could be coming from where? The database. Let's say we had our database and we wanted to pull this data from there. That's what our next video would be. Okay, I didn't want to make this too long, so we do have this, our quotes generator, and basically we have something like that. So if we had 1000 quotes, it's going to randomly pick something from here. Get yourself motivated, and see you in the next video.